Now, what happens if you have a water damage claim and when it's repaired, the work is just terrible and doesn't put you back in the same state that you were in before? Now, the answer to this is it depends on who hired the repair company. If you got a check from your insurance company and you went out and found a contractor or a handyman and they did bad work at your property, that's between you and that contractor. The insurance company has nothing to do with it. Now, if the insurance company sent their own person out to repair the property or they made you use one of their people, now it's between you and the insurance company, because that's what we call an option to repair, where the insurance company says, instead of paying you and giving you free choice over who you use, we're controlling it. And when they do that, they are obligated to return your property to its pre-loss condition. If they fail to do that, you can make them you can force them to through a settlement or through a lawsuit to return your property to where it should have been or pay you for that.